Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Blajil. So guys, in this video I will tell you how you can get a free virtual master debit card. So today I was scrolling through my Instagram and I found this ad. So this application called Pyypl, they will give you free virtual mastercard in 2 minutes. So I decided to follow, and let me show you. It is available on Google Play Store, and after following this I was able to successfully get a free virtual master debit card. And with this I have recently purchased Amazon subscription, just a free trial, and to check if it works or not. So it does work, and I was able to successfully purchase Amazon subscription with this. And as you can see, it's a virtual card, and it is let me show you the countries where it is available. So here are all the countries where it is available: Bangladesh, Cameroon, Cyprus, Djibouti or something, Estonia, Ethiopia, Ghana, and India. Some guy was asking me in the comments where to show him some website to get virtual mastercard. So here it is. If you are watching from India, you can get this virtual mastercard for free from this website. And other countries include Kenya, Nepal, Nigeria, and Pakistan. I'm sitting right now in Pakistan and making this video, so it is available in Pakistan too, Sri Lanka, Sudan, Uganda, and UAE. So all these countries are eligible to get these free virtual master debit card. So all you need to do is to go to the link in description and you can just sign up, or you can just go to the Play Store and search for this app Pyypl, and they will give you free card, virtual card, and from this you can buy any subscription from Amazon or buy some games, etc., wherever the card is available. Anyways, after coming here, you can view it, this card, pause this card, and you can also replace it and just use it as you will. So that's all guys. If you want more such videos, then make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.